Have you ever felt like you were supposed to be doing something but did not do it? Have you ever been compelled to do something that you felt would have no purpose? And in avoiding these things, do we seemingly find ourselves in one bad situation after another? This may be because we are being called and have failed to respond, and it may be similar to the experiences of the prophet Jonah. This is Inspirational Moments. Jonah 1:1-3 says, Now the word of the Lord came to Jonah the son of Amittai, saying, Arise and go to Nineveh, that great city, and cry out against it, for their wickedness has come up before me. But Jonah arose and fled to Tarshish from the presence of God. He went down to Joppa and found a ship going to Tarshish. So he paid the fare and went down into it to go with them to Tarshish from the presence of the Lord. Jonah refused God's calling to minister to the people of Nineveh and fled, and we all know what happened next. A storm arose, and the men on the ship Jonah was traveling on cast him overboard, and it is described in Jonah 1:15-17. So they picked up Jonah and threw him into the sea, and the sea ceased from its raging. Then the men feared the Lord exceedingly, and offered a sacrifice to the Lord, and took vows. Now the Lord had prepared a great fish to swallow Jonah, and Jonah was in the belly of the fish 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah attempted to outrun God, but eventually he reached Nineveh. Jonah's reluctance to minister to the people of Nineveh saw him suffer extreme circumstances. But once he did, the people of Nineveh were quick to respond. In Jonah 3:5-10, the aftermath of Jonah's ministering was revealed. So the people of Nineveh believed God, proclaimed a fast, and put on sackcloth from the greatest to the least of them. Then word came to the king of Nineveh, and he arose from his throne and laid aside his robe, covered himself with sackcloth, and sat in ashes. And he caused it to be proclaimed and published throughout Nineveh by the decree of the king and his nobles, saying, Let neither man nor beast, herd nor flock, taste anything. Do not let them eat or drink water, but let man and beast be covered with sackcloth, and cry mightily to God. Yes, let everyone turn from his evil way and from the violence that is in his hands. Who can tell if God will turn and relent, and turn from his fierce anger, so that we may not perish? Then God saw their works, that they turned from their evil way, and God relented from the disaster that he had said he would bring upon them, and he did not do it. We may be called to go or do something, and we may try to refuse, but God knows best. Despite Jonah's attempts to run away from God, ultimately the call of God was heeded, and the people of Nineveh were saved. Next time God calls, we should be ready to answer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button for more inspirational moments and ring the notification bells to get videos as soon as they're posted. And if you were inspired by this video, click the like button and don't forget to share. Join us next week for more inspirational moments.